Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss why API is important and why Facebook Pixel is going to be removed in 2024. If you don't know it, well, you should know it, that we now have API in our lives, and if you don't have API, I'm going to give you another reason for you to install it. I'm not going to go into details about what Pixel is and what API is and the differences. There is my podcast with Scott de Conseiller, which is the CEO of Wicked Reports, and we have also other videos that we're explaining it. What we're going to discuss here today is just one emergency calling. And what is this? I still see accounts that they just use the Facebook Pixel because it's easier. And I know that there are some difficulties, especially for businesses that they are not operating within Shopify, which has a very good integration. And it's very difficult for them to actually have an integration if they use Wix or if they use other programs, because you need a developer who knows what they're doing. The thing here is that you cannot have Pixel anymore after the 2024. This is what Facebook announced, that they're going to remove it. And that means that if you don't have an API installed, eventually you will be forced to do it, but the whole point is that you need to do it now, because now your Pixel has data and it helps you get sales. But if you start all over again on 2024 with a new API because you're going to be forced about it, then you're going to start from the beginning training your API like you have trained your Pixel. So it's a necessity for you to go put them together. You should have done this already since, I'm telling this since the day that the iOS 14.5 changes happened. And I think that if you're one of these people, you should go immediately hire a developer if you cannot do it easily with the integration of Shopify, or if you have ClickFunnels or whatever, try to find a solution so that you can install it, because you are going to regret it. Anyway, very small video. That's all I had for you about the Pixel. There are more information about API and Pixel and how they're working in this channel. This is why we're not mentioning them here. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book and my free course and my website. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.